Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all how to make homemade laundry scent boosters using what you already have and making it without all the chemicals that you buy at the store. Those little plastic beads, that's what they look like to me, that make your laundry smell real strong, but it does work, but you don't know what kind of chemicals you're putting on your clothes, your skin, and your kids. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade laundry scent boosters. Let's get started. Okay, what we'll need is some kind of big bowl to mix it in or a container. I'm just going to use this big glass bowl that I use a lot. And we're going to measure out 2 cups of Epsom salt. And it don't have to be a perfect measurement. You can even double the recipe if you want to make a bigger batch. But that's 2 cups of the Epsom salt. And then for that, you just pick any kind of essential oil that you like. I've got a couple here. This one was wild orange. Fabric boosters, an orange flavor. And then this one is just called Balance. It's a blend of a couple different essential oils. And lavender. Lavender is a real good one to use for your laundry. And then this one is deep blue. But in today's video, I'm going to be using lavender and some of the orange is the two I'm going to go with. And a lot of these that you buy, they even sell the brand called Lavender, I believe. But this one is Moonlight Breeze. So okay, just pick whichever smell you like of your essential oils the best. I'm going to be using the lavender and the orange today. So I'm going to be adding around 30 drops of the essential oil to my Epsom salt. Oh, that smells good, y'all. So just add whatever you like. If you've got like basil, that would give it a more earthy smell. Uh, this lavender gives it the sort of this one, the moonlit breeze, and a little bit of orange to it. Not much. And now we're just going to give that a mix. And you just mix and mix and mix. You want every piece of this Epsom salt to get some of your essential oils on it. And if you don't want to use the essential oils, you can use Epsom salt in your laundry and it will just soften your fabric. Some people just use a little bit of this in their laundry just to do that. And just mix and mix and mix till you have all those oils mixed in that salt. Now, if I had the one called cedar wood, I'd use that. That'd give it more of the earthy smell. Okay, and once you have it all mixed up, just find you some kind of container to put it in. I'm just going to use this little old yogurt container to put mine in. But if you had a pretty jar, you could even go to the thrift store and look for some real pretty jars with the flip lids and put it in there. And what you'll do is you'll put, okay, my laundry just knocked off, but find you a little old tablespoon or some kind of little bitty tiny scooper and put in there with your Epsom salt. And every time you do a load of laundry, just put one little scoop inside your laundry. And that'll give you your fabric booster without paying $10 for these. Okay, once you have it all mixed up and you find whatever container you're wanting to put it in, just add it to it. And I'm using this canning funnel to help me get it in here without making a mess. But y'all know I probably will make a mess before it's over. Oh, this smells so good. It's going to make our laundry smell great without spending so much money in the laundry aisle. Okay, and that's all it looks like. It looks just like Epsom salt, but you have your essential oils in it, and it smells so good. And I'm going to actually use this little scooper, and every time I do a load of laundry, I'll just put one little scoop in my laundry to get that real fresh, pretty scent. And if you had a real pretty container, you can make these for Christmas. You can make these for, make this for teachers' gifts, put it in a real pretty jar, and put a bow on it, and add it to a gift basket for Christmas. Okay, y'all, that's our video on how to make homemade fabric boosters, using what you have and doing without all those chemicals. So right here I have the store-bought fabric boosters. And right here we have the essential oil with the Epsom salt that we made. Which one would you rather use? Which one will save you money in the long run? And right now, it's all about saving money. Okay, y'all, this is what we made today for our laundry room. This will help us save money and time. We won't have to be spending so much on this store-bought fabric scent. We can make it at home using Epsom salt and any kind of essential oil that you have. Do y'all like your laundry to smell good and fresh all the time? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade laundry scent boosters using what you already have.